And the question is, can you give more information about the two different kinds of fiber, soluble fiber and insoluble fiber and juices?
First of all, soluble fiber, and we'll make it easy. This is the kind of fiber that dissolves in liquid or water or juice. It forms into a like sort of a gel-like substance. Soluble fiber will always be in your juice. It can help lower cholesterol by binding with bile acids and removing them from the body. It helps to regulate blood sugar, slowing the absorption of sugar and helping prevent spikes in the glucose level. It's great for digestive health. It can aid in softening the stool and preventing constipation.
Can you touch upon, Steve, why it is that we want to remove the insoluble fiber from our juice and what are the benefits of that?
Well, it helps with absorption into our bloodstream and feeds our organs on a molecular level. That's why juicing is so medicinal, because we're eliminating that digestive process and we're getting these nutrients into our bodies on a much deeper level than if we're just eating food. So you'd have to chew the vegetables and fruit, hundreds of thousands of times to break it down the way a juicer can.